welcome back to my YouTube channel. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It depends where you're watching this video from. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for subscription. Thank you so much for the love, guys, you're showing this channel. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much, guys. Road to 5,000 subscribers. Please subscribe, tell a friend that your village boy is back with another banger, guys. It is early morning that God has granted us to see another day, guys. We don't take it as a joke. We thank God for another day, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for the love. Continue watching my videos, continue sharing my videos, guys. That's the way that you can help me to grow my heart. Thank you so much. I'm coming live and direct from Narok. Narok is a county that is located in Kenya. Kenya has got 47 counties. Kenya is located in East Africa. Welcome, guys. If you want to visit our country, please come and watch our, come and greet us, guys. It's a nice country that everyone would like to visit. Please feel free to come any day, my people. Say I'm coming live and direct from beautiful country of our school. Yes, you can visit us when you come to Africa. Consider coming to Africa, my people. Let's know how you feel when you come to this country, guys. It is another day that the Almighty God has granted us, guys. You can hear even the birds are singing outside. It resembles a good day. The wise people, they say that a good day is seen in the morning for sure. It is a nice day. Today the video is all about, I'm going to clean my clothes, guys. Please watch the video of the end. Leave a positive comment. Thank you so much, my people. Let's watch together, my people. Let me know where you're watching my videos from in the comment section, guys. For sure it's a good day God has granted us. This is how we do in Africa, guys. We don't have machine. We use bare hands to chop. That's how we do it here in Africa, guys. This is how we clean it. That's how we do it. Dry. This is how we do it, guys. This is how I washed it yesterday. They have already dried, guys. So I'm going to remove them. So that they can leave others to dry, guys. That's the way we wash clothes here in Africa. Thank you, my people. I hope you want to watch, to enjoy this video. watch this video, guys. Today we are going to have a conversation with you guys. I'm coming. I am back, guys. So I'm going to answer some few questions that I normally find in the comment section, guys. So guys, stay tuned. So the first question that I normally found in my videos is that who inspired you to start a YouTube channel? I always find that question in like every video that I post, guys. A person who motivated me to start a YouTube channel is called, there is a Kenyan YouTuber who's called David Jr. I always follow that man. I've always seen his success from grass to grace. So I admire his lifestyle, guys. I love how he does his videos. So that's the person who motivated me to start a YouTube channel. And me also, I love watching vlogs. I love YouTube vlogs. I love watching vlogs, guys. You can find me every day watching vlogs. That's like my daily routine, guys. I don't love watching movies. Like I love watching vlogs, football, but vlogs and first things that I love watching YouTube, guys. So David Jr. is a content creator from Kenya, here where I am, in a area called Nyabohansi. It's found in a rural area in Kenya. So that boy always motivated me a lot. I always admire his lifestyle. I always see how he has grown. So yeah, that's the person that who motivated me to start a YouTube channel. So the second question is, do you do YouTube full time as a job? No, I own a small PlayStation, guys. So for those who follow my videos, they know. They know where they will find me. So I own a small PlayStation. That's why I always go in the morning, and then in the evening I come back. But soon, with the help of God, I'm going to do YouTube as a full-time job, because I love YouTube, guys. I love creating videos. I love everything about YouTube, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. That's the way you can make me to bring you more videos from this area, guys. Thank you so much. So the third question is, what do you see in yourself in where do you see yourself in 5 years? Guys, I have a big ambition of becoming a big YouTuber. With the help of you and the help of Almighty God, I know I'm going to reach where my goal is. I'm targeting to be a big YouTuber who travel around the world, creating videos everywhere, in Kenya, in Africa, in America, more so in the world. So I see myself as a big YouTuber in 5 years coming, guys. I have that ambition, I have that goal. I know I'm going to reach. That's the third question. The last question that I normally found in my daily videos is that Will you quit your job because of YouTube? Yeah, for sure. For sure, if YouTube begin to pay me well, if YouTube boop up, if YouTube make me to where I'm targeting to be, I'm ready to quit my job to do full YouTube job. I'm planning to do like 3 to 4 videos a day. That is my goal. When my YouTube picks up, guys, I'm going to quit my job and focus in my YouTube. Like my mentor David Jr., he always creates like 4 to 5 videos a day, guys. So I'm inspired with that man. He always make me go wild, make me to work hard. So guys, please subscribe. That's the way you can make me grow my arts, and I will appreciate my people. Continue the support, continue liking my video for more creativity videos, guys, coming on your way. Let me know which kind of video do you love me to bring from this area. Please subscribe, like, share, everything, guys. Leave a positive comment. Remember also to turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when I'm going live, my people. So those are the questions that I normally tackle in my videos, and I decided to answer them today. So this today was a right time that I decided to answer your question, because you people, you always support me a lot. So I decided to tackle your question, guys. Continue asking question, let me know, and I will answer your question, guys. I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for staying to my video. Thank you so much for buying your data, consuming your bundles, guys, to come and watch my video. I don't take it for granted. May God grant you more and more. I think I'm going to wrap this video at this time, guys. Thank you so much. Let's meet in another video. I love you. Adios, muchachos. Peace.